What if you could start investing with just your spare change? Seriously, what if every time you bought a coffee or a snack, the extra cents were automatically invested for your future? It sounds almost too easy, right? Well, that's exactly what Acorns does, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to get your Acorns account set up and start putting your money to work for you. First things first, you'll need to download the Acorns app from your App Store or head over to their website. Once you've got it, open it up and hit Get Started. The first thing they'll ask for is your email and to create a password. Make sure it's one you'll remember but is also secure. After that, they'll ask you for some basic personal information, things like your name, date of birth, and your phone number. This is a standard part of setting up any financial account and helps them verify your identity. Next up is the fun part, connecting a funding source. This is where you'll link your checking account or debit card. Acorns uses this to fund your investments. Don't worry, it's a secure process, and they use bank-level encryption. The main feature people love is roundups. This is where Acorns rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns will take that extra 50 cents and invest it. You can turn this feature on or off later, but it's a fantastic way to passively invest without even thinking about it. After that, you'll need to answer a few questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Are you saving for retirement? A big purchase? Or just to grow your wealth over time? This helps Acorns recommend one of their diversified portfolios that's right for you. They have different options, from aggressive portfolios for those who are comfortable with more risk to conservative ones for those who prefer stability. You don't have to be an investing pro, they do the hard work for you. Finally, you will review all your information, confirm everything looks good, and you're all set. It's really that simple. Acorns will make its first deposit into your account, and your money will start its journey into the market. You can track your progress, see your investments grow, and even explore other features like Acorns later for retirement savings or Acorns checking. It's a powerful tool to start building wealth, one small step at a time. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.